Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of infrastructure automation with Terraform. If you ever wanted to launch EC2 instance with on AWS without clicking through the console, you are in the right place. In this video, I will show you step by step how to automate creation of EC2 instance with Terraform. Let's get started. Before dive into the code, let me quickly explain what is Terraform. Terraform is an open source infrastructure as a code tool created by HashiCorp. It allows you to define and provision cloud resources like virtual machines, database, and network using a simple declarative configuration files. In short, Terraform makes your infrastructure management predictable and repeatable. Let me log into the console. So, if you want to create EC2 instance from the console, what are things you do it basically? Okay, you create a name, you give the name, you select AMI, you then what you do, you create instance type, either t2.nano, micro, for our like demo, I'll use t2.micro. You use key pair. If it's already there, you use a key pair. You select with subnet VPC. Here in this, I have, okay, let me go to the Mumbai South region. VPC, I have the VPC. I created already different VPC, Ruby VPC, and here I have two subnets in different age availability zone. There is an option to enable the public IP, create a security group, or use the existing group. If you're already there, you can use the existing security group. And this is general purpose. This is basically volume, GP3 volume. By default, 8 GB is allowed. So if you want to use all these things in Terraform, how to use it, right? So for that, let me dive into the script. I created a variable.tf file where I have defined region, AP South, EMI, T2, this is Amazon EMI. That value you can get it from here. If let's say if you click on this, you get AMI ID. You can update here VPC ID, subnet IDs. I have two public subnets. I mentioned two public subnets. I already have the key created. I'm using the same key. Enable public IP for the EC2 instance, going to enable the public IP. What is the instance type? Instance type is t2.micro. And what is the security group? So already I have created a couple of security groups. I just use the security groups. And how many instances you need? I just give one so that it will create one instance. So now let's go to the main script. So here AMI, you get it from the variable AMI ID, instance type, key name, public IP, subnet, security VPC security IDs, and how many instances you want to create it. And if you want to give any installation while in the Bootstrap installation during the instance creation, you can just add user data and where you can mention all the commands. It will create it. So this is a script. I'll push it to the GitHub and I'll give the link also in the summary video description. So let's go to terminal. I'm already in the same path. You just need to run three commands. I already set up AWS CLI. I already installed Terraform. I just need to run the script, Terraform script. So first is Terraform init. We initialize the script. It will initialize the backend. It okay and download all the plugins from the HashiCorp. Then init plan. Sorry, Terraform plan. Okay. If you look at the output of this, it will tell you each and everything what all infrastructure it's going to create. If you look at like thoroughly, this is a EMI which we defined. These things will be available after the instance creation. And instance type we mentioned t2.micro. is subnet name, it is taking environment and instance name. This is something with tag we defined, and user data. Yeah, basically, yeah, it will use all the data inputs whatever we provide, and it will create. So let me create instance Terraform apply. If you do that, it will ask for the confirmation. For the confirmation, it will start creating an instance. It will take a minute. Okay, it created a EC2 instance, and the public ID, public IP of this EC2 instance is this 13.234.34.1. So use this to connect to the EC2 instance. Okay, let's just come to the console and see if the same is created or not. Yes, it's created. If you see, right, if you just click here, you'll get all the details. The public IP is 13.234.34.1. So use the public IP. It's already here. Same thing. Connect to EC2 instance. SSH hyphen I. I already have the key in my local. EC2 hyphen is a default user with public IP. Okay. And while during the installation, what we did, we already installed HTTPD and updated the index.html with this. Uh, we already updated index.html. So if you just check if it is running, it's already running. So you already have the public IP. You just connect to the console. You just try to use access from the browser. Colon 80. You're able to see, right? So welcome to Apache server provisioned by Terraform. And it's the host name of the EC2 instance. Yeah, so that's how you can create EC2 instance with Terraform. I'll give you one more point here. I have declared number of instance as a variable. Okay. If you want to create 10 instance, you can do that with this script. Just go to the variables. I have mentioned one, right? Instead of one, you just like hit three, it will create three. Okay. Before that, I want to like destroy this, and I'll show you how to create a three instance. Just Terraform destroy. It will destroy the EC2 instance. It will ask for the confirmation. Once you confirm, it will destroy. It will take a minute. Yeah, it destroy the instances. Let's say now you update to three variable instance count to three, and come out of the terminal and just make it Terraform plan. It will tell you how many instances it's going to create. Did I save? Oh, I think I didn't save the file. Just give me a minute. Let me save, then come here to the Terraform plan. It will show you how many instances it's going to create. Okay, the plan is three. You're able to see, right? Okay, let's apply Terraform. Apply. Say yes. You're able to see, right? So you're able to. It is trying to create three instances. Just give for a few seconds. You come to console and check. Just right. Yeah, it's trying to create one, two, and three. So this one is already the earlier one which we already destroyed. So yeah, one, two, three. So yeah, that's how you can like automate and create how many instances you want from the script. This will really help to save a lot of time and management of infrastructure is very easy. If you want to destroy all in one go, you can just say Terraform destroy. It will delete everything whatever it created, right? If you say yes, it will start destroying. So you can see from the console also it starts shutting down. Yeah, that's it for today. I hope this step-by-step guide helped you to understand how to use Terraform for AWS automation. If you found video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.